moving on to the main part of the lesson, here we have our first question. So, we've got 15 pairs divided into groups of 5. There are 3 groups, 15, 5 and 3. The number 15 tells us how many there are in total, so how many pairs we've got. The 5 tells us how many are in each of the groups, and 3 tells us how many groups there are. 15 into divided by 5, 3 groups. So 15 into groups of 5 equals 3. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. 10, 5, 2. 10 tells us how many of the things, whether it be sweets, counters, there are in total. 5 tells us how many there are in each group. 2 tells us how many groups there are. 10 something are divided into groups of 5. There are 2 groups. So it could be 10 children that are divided into groups of 5, and there are 2 groups. 12 oranges, 2 in each basket. So let's sort that out. Okay. So because there was still some left over, we've shared them into 12 divided into groups of 2. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12 into groups of, so when you see that division sign, 12 into groups of 2 equals 6. The total always goes at the front because that is that's the whole number that you are sharing or grouping up. And the number always gets smaller from the total number. Have a go at questions 1 to 3 on your worksheet now, please.